I'm Courtney and this is my story. I was first diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma on October 23rd of 2015, which was a very monumental day in my life. But luckily, after further testing, I was just diagnosed with only stage 1, which was a huge blessing. Luckily, my family and I were very prepared for the news that it was probably cancer, but on the day, a few days beforehand, on October 19th was the day I found out I had a tumor, and that was a scary day. That was a huge shocker. I had just gone into the doctor. I was having some mild chest pain, and we had no idea that it was gonna be something that would change my life. I received chemotherapy 1 day per every 3 weeks. It takes from a full day to about a half a day to complete that, and then possible radiation later on after chemotherapy. So before starting chemotherapy, my doctors were very clear on the fact that I would lose my hair, so my family and I started kind of preparing for that and looking for what my options were as far as wigs or hats or whatever I wanted to do. So about the 10th day of my first cycle is when I started losing my hair. I woke up that morning and was taking a shower and running my fingers through my hair, and it came out and more so of a bigger clump, and so that's when I knew it had started, and that was kind of a hard day, even though I knew that it was coming. And then the next several days, it just kept coming out in bigger handfuls, and I knew it was time for me to go ahead and just beat it to the punch and shave it off. So that's what I did, and I decided to actually go alone to the hair salon to do that, because I knew it would be kind of an emotional time. And so I had the woman at the hair salon shave it off, and it was definitely a tearful time. It just felt more so as something was being taken away from me. Previous to that, I knew that hair loss was coming, so I looked into my options of wigs or different things. So one place I went to was just within one of the hospitals I was in, and so I tried on a few there and was just really unhappy about the look of them. I think the particular ones I was trying on didn't really look very natural, and I felt as though they were taking more away from me than what they were giving me. So from that point on, I actually decided to forego the wigs completely and just that I would wear hats. Well, probably a month of wearing hats, I was getting really sick of it and really realizing that I missed having hair. So my dad suggested that we go to Bravadas to check out their wig selection there, and so I agreed to go. I thought it would be nice just to see my options there. So we went and tried several on. Robin had a lot available, and she really listened to what I was wanting in a wig and what I didn't want in a wig, and she really helped me find the perfect one. So now I just feel a lot more like myself having hair again. I can look in the mirror and feel like I don't have cancer in a way, because I see that I have hair again, and it's not a constant reminder, I guess.